and then we discuss and do it, okay? And you all will help me to balance it. I'll call up one by one and then you can tell me. And if you know the answer, you can tell me the answer. All right? Okay. Have you all opened the assignment sheet?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right. So we start. The first one. You have two compounds. They see Na is joining with OH and Ca joins with Br. So what type of reaction is that? They are swapping over, they are exchanging their partners. So what type of reaction will be? Both are exchanging their partners, right?
Double replacement.
Yes, so write down double replacement, Dr. Even if you write Dr, that will be enough. Dr is double replacement. Now how to balance it? Here on the product side, you have 2 Br, but on reactant side, you just have 1. So put 2 in front of NaBr. And 2 in front of, because Na has become 2, so you put 2 in front of NaOH, and there it is balanced. Now check. 1 NCa, 1 Ca, 2 Na, 2 Na, 2 Br on the reactant side, 2 Br on the product side. OH, we take the polyatomic ions together. Whenever you want to balance, take the polyatomic ion together, okay? So we will take this polyatomic ion OH together. There are 2 OH on the left side, therefore 2 times 1 OH is 2 only. So your equation is now balanced. Okay. Let's go to the second one. Done, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Second one. There are 2 compounds and they join up to form a single compound. Okay. So what is this kind of reaction called?
Is it the addition?
Yes, addition or synthesis reaction. There you go. So that's called addition, or you can write synthesis reaction or addition reaction, whatever name. So that's synthesis reaction. Now to balance it, there is 2 nitrogen on the product side, but there is only 1 nitrogen. So to balance it, you put 2 in front, and now you can see it is balanced. 2 times 3 is 6 hydrogen, plus 2, 8 hydrogen. And you can see on the product side, 4 times 2, that is 8. So your hydrogen is also balanced. And sulfate, I told you, the polyatomic take it as together. So it is only 1 on the reactant side, and sulfate is 1 on the product side. So it is a balance equation.
So it's already balanced.
So now it is balanced. So 2NH3 plus H2SO4 will give you NH4 twice SO4. Okay. Third one now. Everybody done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Third one. You have hydrocarbon burning in presence of oxygen to always give you carbon dioxide and water. When you get product as carbon dioxide and water, what type of reaction is that?
Is it combustion?
There you go. It's combustion. Whenever carbon dioxide and water on the product side, just write combustion reaction. Type there combustion reaction. Now how to balance it? There are 3 carbon on the reactant side. So you will put 3 in front of CO2 on the product side. Now count the hydrogen on the reactant side, 8. but there is only 2. So to make it 8, you put 4 in the front. So that makes, now let's count, hydrogen is 8, that is balanced, but now let's count the oxygen. 4 oxygen, 3 times 2 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, but you have only 2. So what you will put over in front of oxygen? 5. So that will make it 10. So now your equation is balanced. Okay, now fourth one. Fourth is you have a single element that tries to break apart the couple. So what kind of reaction is that?
Single replacement.
There you go, single replacement. So you can write SR, single replacement. Now to balance it. On the product side, you have 3 Pb. So put on the reactant side 3. Now phosphate, there are 2 phosphate ions over on the product side, but there is only 1 phosphate ions on the reactant side. So put 2. That will make your hydrogen how many? 6 on the reactant side. So on the product side, put 3. So that will make it 6. All right, now fifth one. You have a single compound, it breaks apart into 2. What is this kind of reaction called?
Decomposition.
Yes, so it is a decomposition, and see whether it is balanced or not. You need to balance it. Tell me.
I think it's balanced, ma'am.
Yes, it's balanced. Check. 1 Ca, 1 Ca. 1 carbon, 1 carbon. 3 oxygen, so 1 plus 2, so 3 oxygen. So it's a balanced equation. You don't have to do anything. Okay. When 2 elements join together, which kind of reaction is this?
Addition.
Addition.
Addition. So write down addition or synthesis reaction. Okay. And now balancing. There are 4 phosphorus on the reactant side, so to make, there is only 2. So to make it 4, you will put 2 in front of this. So that becomes 4, but that makes oxygen how many? 2 times 3 is 6. So to make this 6, you will put 3 in front of O2. And now your equation is balanced. Done? Okay, 7th one. You have an acid and a base, reacts to form salt and water. HCl and NaOH is an acid and the NaOH is a base. It forms salt and water. Whenever you have product salt and water, it is what? Acid-base reaction, right? So put there, yes, so put there acid-base reaction. You can see it is already balanced. 1H, no, it's not balanced. Yeah, it is balanced. 1H and 1H over here. So 2H on the reactant side, 2H on the product side, 1 oxygen on the reactant side, 1 oxygen on the product side, 1 Na on the reactant side, 1 Na on the product side, 1 Cl and 1 Cl. So it's already balanced. You don't need to balance this equation. Now 8th. Okay. What is the 8th reaction? Can you tell me without me giving you?
Double replacement.
There you go. They both exchange their partners, so double replacement. Okay, now balancing. Just check, is it balanced?
Yes, ma'am.
So you don't need to balance it. Very good. It's already balanced. 9th one. Yes, what is this reaction?
Combustion.
There you go. Carbon dioxide and water you see on the product side, just put combustion reaction. Now there are 10 carbon on this side, so put 10 on this before carbon dioxide. There are 8 hydrogen on the left hand side, so to make 8 you will have to multiply with 4. Now how many oxygens there are now? 10 2s are 20 plus 4, 24. So to make this 24 you will multiply O2 with 12. So now your equation is balanced.
What was the first number? What go in front of C10H8?
You can see my screen, right?
Oh yeah, but I have my own thing pulled up.
Okay. So C10H8 plus 12O2 will give you 10 CO2 plus 4 H2O. Tenth one, what is this type of reaction?
Double replacement.
But see, what is the product? What is the product?
Water.
So what will it be?
And
Yes, so acid base. You see clearly H2SO4 is an acid, and wherever you have OH, that's a base. Acid is H plus ions, base is OH minus ions. So whenever you see the product as salt and water as a product, then it is a double replacement, but it is an acid base reaction. So that is the difference between double replacement and acid base, that product will always be salt and water. So whenever you see as salt and water, then it is not double replacement, but it is an acid base reaction. So acid base reaction. Now to balance it, how many ammonia on the product side? You have 2. So on the left hand side put 2. How many water molecules? 2 plus 2 on this side, but there is only 2 on this side, so put 2 in front of H2O. And now your equation is balanced. So H2SO4 plus 2NH4OH will give you NH4 twice SO4 plus 2H2O. What is the main difference between double displacement reaction and an acid-base reaction?
the double displacement, each side has 2 compounds, and with the acid base, the products will always be H2O and a salt.
There you go. So you just write that answer, what she just said. Salt, water, product in acid base is always the product in acid base reaction. Got it? Anybody has any questions? Still not understood? And when you close it, it will automatically save and then you turn it in.